Hey Pixel fans! Google's rolling out a fix for those annoying back button glitches on Android 16. No more unresponsive navigation. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this Pixel saving update. Google dropped an August Pixel update to fix back button issues plaguing Pixel 6 and newer devices since Android 16's June release. From laggy buttons to broken swipe gestures, this patch has you covered. Want the details? Keep watching! Since Android 16 launch, users reported navigation chaos. One Pixel 8 Pro owner called it a complete mess, with buttons unresponsive or delayed up to 30 seconds. Pixel 9 users had to tap the back button multiple times, and Android Police's Artem Rusakowski noted that swipe gestures are failing. Google's patch notes vaguely mention issues under certain conditions, but this update targets them all. The August update fixes both 3-button and gesture navigation for Pixel 6 and newer models. It also resolves a scheduled dark theme bug and patches a high-severity remote code execution vulnerability for better security. Plus, general stability tweaks make your Pixel smoother than ever. This update is a lifesaver for Pixel users frustrated by navigation hiccups. With Android 16's rocky start, Google's quick fix shows they're listening, ensuring your Pixel runs like a dream. Could this make your Pixel 8 or 9 feel brand new? Let's talk about it. The update's rolling out now for Pixel 6 and newer devices. Check your settings to grab it and say goodbye to back button woes. Have you hit these glitches? Drop your experience below. That's the scoop on Google's Pixel back button fix. Are you hyped for smoother navigation or still dealing with Android 16 bugs? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.